Hey guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to make a pom-pom. You're going to need some yarn and a pair of scissors. To start off, you're going to want to measure a piece of yarn and you're going to want to then cut that. Then once you have your piece of yarn, you're going to want to set it aside because we're going to use that later. Now take the yarn and start to wrap it around your fingers like so, and you're going to want to keep on wrapping that. And I think I wrapped this around my fingers around 50 times, so you can wrap more times if you want the pom-pom to be even more fuller. Once you're done wrapping it, you're then going to want to cut the yarn so it can no longer be attached to the ball of yarn. You're going to take that piece of yarn that we cut from earlier and you're going to want to start to slowly slide off that bundle of yarn from your fingers and put it on top of the piece of yarn. You're then going to want to tie the piece of yarn into a knot so it can secure that bundle of yarn. And make sure when you're tying it, it's in the middle. You're then going to want to flip over the bundle of yarn and tie your knot again. And make sure when you're knotting the yarn to make them tight so that the bundle of yarn does not become loose. Tie that one more time and you're good to go. And this is how it should look like. You're then going to want to cut the loops on one side of the pom-pom with your scissors. So you're going to end up having like a really weird pom-pom because all the yarn is going to be everywhere. So like so. And you're going to want to do the same thing we did on that side on the other side. So just cut through the loops. So right now you should have like a weird looking bow with lots of little hairs, little yarn on each side. Next thing we're going to do is you're going to take a piece of paper to put over your desk or wherever you're cutting this so it doesn't get too messy and it's easier to clean up. Start out by finding the middle and just cut around it. So you're just going to give your pom-pom a little haircut to make it look more like a pom-pom. And the more you cut, the more you're going to get a look that looks like this. And here's your pom-pom. This is the finished piece. So thank you for watching. Bye!